say there was no experience because we've done nothing in this song. The only thing that we did have to do was shoot the beginning of that dollhouse portion, where there was actually this really cute dollhouse that we had made. And we all had to kind of take our positions and imagine a reaction. And then it's all, the rest of it is all imaginary. So
Homi was dancing in front of us and that's her reaction. Yeah, and then Dino also danced in front of us. Then the reaction of looking away is because Dino was dancing in front of us. That's honestly, that's all that we've done. The rest is all Shamak and Homi's idea to have our faces on other people. And
since we are such good dancers.
Yes. But actually, in this video, definitely Pankaj sir has stolen the show with some of his steps.
Backflip and cartwheel.
Outstanding.
आप दोनों से जानना चाहते हैं, ये बूटिया का क्या मतलब होता है?
जड़ी बूटी। बूटिया का मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो मेरी थोड़ी कम है, लेकिन है तो सही।
ये इतना प्रोमिनेंट क्यों होता जा रहा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आम जिंदगी में भी जब लोग नाचते हैं तो सबसे पहले यही करते हैं ना, जब शुरू करते हैं तो वही हिलती है पहले।
गाने में इतना क्यों प्रोमिनेंट होता जा रहा है? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक और अंजन की सिटी में हमारा बम डोले, आई मीन कितना प्रोमिनेंट है ये। खूबसूरत नाम की एक फिल्म आ रही है।
हाँ सुना है मैंने, उसमें सोनम कपूर है ना।
हाँ जी।
यार लोग सबसे पहले यही हिलाते नाचते वक्त ना।
When you automatically start hearing a fun song and a song that you want to dance to.
Yeah, that word creates a situation, na? You're thinking, अरे ये अलग word है.
Generally, the lower part of the body you start tapping your feet, you start moving your legs, and in the process, the booty starts moving as well.
मतलब shake your tongue on the floor में वो बात नहीं है ना?
है कि नहीं?
Shake your हाथ on the floor, shake your गर्दन on the floor, उसमें कुछ ये बात shake your booty, हाँ ये अच्छा ये. If you are in love, you should have the ability to romance the girl that you're in love with, or guy, if you're in love with. I think there has to be love for there to be romance. So you have to feel very passionately. अगर आप किसी के तरफ बहुत passionately feel करते हैं, उनके बिना जी नहीं सकते, उनके बिना रह नहीं सकते, वो आपकी जिंदगी का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है या वो आपकी जिंदगी है, तो आप किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे, वो रोमांस होता है. Doing small things, that's romantic. Just being able to make that person smile is romantic. So romance comes in many variables. बहुत अलग-अलग तरीकों से romance हो सकता है, but the important feeling is there has to be love for you to have a genuine romance with somebody.
The feeling is different towards different people. The love you feel for your parents is different for the love you feel for your friend, is different for the love you feel for your husband or your lover. I think the bottom line is, according to me, love is the only universal language.
दोनों से एक सवाल, जब पहली बार अर्जुन आपको मालूम पड़ा कि दीपिका आपके साथ काम कर रही हैं, और जब आपको मालूम पड़ा कि अर्जुन आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, दोनों का पहला रिएक्शन, वो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था?
Said, wow. और क्या है? It happened in a very nice way. Homi told me, and then it kind of just sunk in that we are doing a film that we wouldn't have imagined at least working together in a film like this to begin with. वो एक conventional casting होती है ना, when you're just starting out as a main lead actor, you're thinking, okay, when you work with Deepika, it'll be a romantic film, it'll be a typical Hindi film. So I was really excited that we're doing something that is unique. And she had mentioned this film to me. Ironically, I'd met her at Yashraj. She was shooting for Race 2 at the time, and she had said, there's this really interesting film that Homi is planning on doing, and I'm really excited, and I hope it comes through. And she didn't mention anything more. So I knew when I heard it, I said, this is the film that she was talking about. So it fell into place really nicely. I think it was good that we both chose to come together in a very interesting space rather than the conventional one.
I think the minute I got the first narration of the film, or when Homi and me were working on it, and when he did mention Arjun and casting Arjun as Savio, I think it was the perfect fit. Very rarely in your career do you get a part where you get to be very similar to the kind of person that you are. And I feel he just fit into this. I feel like he more or less had to just be himself. And I think he's absolutely perfect for the part.
फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आपने और रणवीर ने शादी कर ली है, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन हम लोगों को ये कब सुनने को मिल रहा है?
No comment.
Take your booty on the floor.